The Great Tantra of Vajrasattva, equal to the end of the sky. The treasure of jewels that must be known. Then Sattva Vajra addressed the great Vajrasattva with these words: O Lord, you hold the treasure of the bodies, speech, and minds of all the Buddhas of the 3 times. You have the treasury of wisdom, perfect non-duality. So in this non-dual space, where everything is self-liberated, I am asking you, my Lord, please explain to me the treasure houses of totally liberated awareness. Please use definitions as your essential method. Then the Tathagata Vajrasattva gave an oration. O Mahasattva, the transmission of the bodhicitta that equals the end of the sky is a method for coming into a wealth of jewels. The dominion of the Dharma, the perfect secret of wisdom, has one essence, but when we inquire into it, there are 3 aspects. The way that divides things between material things and thoughts uses analogies to demonstrate methods for faulting this essence, dividing them with reference to whether they chain or liberate us. But according to equal to the end of the sky, which brings everything together, we are perfected in the dimension of the self-luminescence of all things. It does not stop. It is not to be thought upon. It is never considered. It is the treasure of the wheel of awareness, and it is not complicated. It is not a Buddha. It is not a sentient being. It is neither of them. This self-arising transmission cuts through exaggeration and denigration. This heart essence has no border or center. It is a treasure of aware equanimity that has no position. It is like a mound of precious gemstones. It shines in all things and has no position or preference. It is a treasure trove that is equal to the end of the sky. This wish-fulfilling wheel is there purely by itself, and one who opens the door of luminous total vision will find a trove of precious jewels. The transmission of the wisdom of the essence of all things is luminous in this heart essence. It has no boundaries or center. This luminescence has been proclaimed to be the dominion of the Dharma of reflexive awareness. The voice of awareness does not speak. It makes way for itself without our thinking about it. It shines in a self-luminescence that occurs by itself, and this is how reverted ideas are bound in knots. When it is not luminescent in our dominion, we may be liberated, but we will not be free. In the same way that we do not stay in the sky, we do not stay in any misunderstanding of this self-occurring luminescence. It occurs by itself. It is self-luminous. It is perfected in our dominion. It pervades the space of unspeakable awareness. It is difficult to designate it, saying, "This is the essence." The significance of the symbols for this inconceivable dominion of the Dharma is not complicated. It is entirely definite. The transmission of regency has a swift compassion and is profound. It is not for profit or fame. One who is empowered with the vase of royal investiture, who perseveres in revealing the specifics about the vehicles, and who uses his speaking skills to show the connections between words and meanings, is a master at joining meanings to symbols. He abides in a dominion in which we do not think of definitions. His intuition is pervasive like space. He is wise in the significance of what it is to be unconnected to any boundaries or center. He holds the transmission of a worldless contemplation. It is said that when you meet him, you will be sure. His reflexive awareness is luminescent. He shows it in himself. In the transmission of self-luminescence, he reveals this to himself. He stabs himself with the giant spike of reflexive awareness.